Golfers, what's up? Sully here from BombTech. Just showed up at the driving range. Another beautiful day, but it's windy. It's about 65 degrees. Not the good wind either. It's not a downwind. It's a left to right wind. And I want to shoot just some quick video in the car before I got out there because it may just be too windy to hear me. And last week, this was really pumped about this. I was shooting a quick our three-tip guide. Or three-step guide, excuse me, of how to hit it longer with your setup, widening your stance, and tee height. And during that video, I wasn't swinging hard, honestly. I hit one 331, and that's the longest one on that launch monitor. And today, what I'm more pumped about is finally, we've been so busy, so thanks everyone, thanks BombTech Nation for that. We've got 9 degrees fully in stock. We've manufactured plenty of those, so shipping times are really quick. And we've got enough in stock, I can actually swing one myself. So I've been swinging the 10.5, which has been awesome. But for me, you know, I'm swinging low 120s for club head speed. 10.5, the launch was just too high. So last week, that swing with the 331, which was 6 yards past my longest, was with the 9 degrees. So I know it's going to bring my launch down, which is going to help my overall distance. So I'm super pumped to swing the 9 and see what happens. So I've got a 9 X Flex. I'm swinging 45.5 inches. I'm actually going to measure it today because a lot of guys have been saying, man, how long is that driver? I think it's the angle of the video because all the drivers I play are 45 or 45.5. So I'm going to go measure that now. I'm going to warm up and I'm going to see if I can beat 331. And if we get lucky, if I get loose enough, hopefully 350 with the new 9 degrees. So super pumped. Hopefully it's not too windy so you can hear what I'm saying, and let's go get it. Pull the pin. Hey guys, on the quest for 350. Left shoulder's been killing me on and off during this journey, if we want to call it that. Left shoulder always hurts after swinging hard. Past injury coming back to haunt me. Just hit one large bucket, didn't hit one good one. Longest was 312. And get another bucket, see if we can step this up. Okay. Wind in my hair. The dream. I think it's because we have a beautiful farm across the way. It's all flat. Let's do it. Range is filling up. Pressure's on. That's when I get the second bucket. That's better. See that? Oh, it's always that one ball that makes us come back, right? Club head speed is way slower, about 6 miles per hour slower, 119. Ball speed 176, overall 320, spin better, launch way better, smash better. Okay, I'm sweaty, tired, shoulder hurts. It's called the quest for 350. Just left, well, I'm still here at the driving range. Just got done hitting balls. Best ball was 320. Club head speeds were supposedly way higher, 126, 127. I hit 2 good balls today that I actually pured, and both of them did not get picked up by the launch monitor, so I'm not happy about that. So the longest register was 320, averages were 315, 310, and just did not make solid contact. The couple I hit well, my ball swing speed was way slower, and that's golf. That's how it goes when you swing and control. You know, you're gonna make better contact. Those were like 120 club head speed, and Yeah, the quest isn't easy. That's why it's a quest for 350. The 9 degree today did produce better launch numbers. It just, my swing wasn't on. So next week, I'm going to do a ton of stretching. I'm going to get an actual lesson from a PGA Pro. Super pumped about that. Show you my progress, give some tips as we do that, and see if we can finally break 350. I was hoping by now to do it, to be honest. But nothing in life that's worth doing is easy. So let's do it. Quest for 350. Pull the pin, guys.